Oh wow, the mother just flew in. And the little babies are right there. I'm holding really still because, oh, she just flew off again. I can see the little babies are looking at me too. Maybe I shouldn't be this close, even though I'm on the other side of the glass. Yeah, he sees me. He's looking right at me. Hey, buddy. He sees me. And there's the mother right down there. I don't know if you can see her. That's zoomed in all the way, but she's looking for worms. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's probably gonna come right back. I'm trying to be real still. Can you hear? You can probably hear.